way out, we're going to dry you off, okay?
Oh, yeah. Your hair is awesome. I love the pink.
Oh, thank you. Alrighty. Sorry if it takes some of your lipstick off. Keep your tongue out for me.
Better get that tongue piece.
And go ahead and relax your tongue.
Ooh, that look like it hurt too.
What's that?
Shit.
Okay. I'm listening. I'm not like I'm kind of paying attention, but I can't see the visual.
Alright, let me see this.
He's funny. He did.
Drool.
Okay. Alright, go ahead and
Drool.
get your tongue all the way out for me. On the count of 3, I just want you to take a nice deep breath, okay? All the way out. There you go. Alrighty.
Just God, he's so depressing. Yeah. Fuck Hitler. You know, funny.
Alrighty. Do me one favor. Hold this cup right here. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Alright, I'm just going to tighten you up, okay? Take the cup, hang onto the napkin.
Drooling.
Take a nice swallow and I'll tighten you up real quick, okay? A little pinch. Alright. Good to go. How you feel? Check it on in.